Today I will show you how to make the 3D boxes from your packaging designs. Open the Adobe Photoshop, and I have already prepared the two packaging designs of the sweet boxes, chocolate sweet boxes. I will bring the three files, just open and open the three files. Okay, this is the templates of 3D boxes, and these are the two designs. First I will make it the first design. Go to the die lines and cut the pieces. I required only the front part and this bottom side part, and another bottom or top side part, and the left side part. Okay, go to the die line part and select the magic wand tool. Now you go to the background layer and press Ctrl J. Okay, similarly you go to the die line part, select with the magic wand tool, go to the background and Ctrl J. Okay. Again you go to the die line part, go to the magic wand tool, die line part, select, you bring the selection like here. Okay, press Ctrl T and reduce the selection part like this. Sorry, press Ctrl T and reduce the selection part and double click. Sorry, selection, transform selection, select it. Now you go to here, press Ctrl J. Okay, this three part is ready. Now I will bring on the templates part to here, open the templates part to here and just drag and drop. You reduce it as much as required. Close this file, Ctrl D. This is also close it. Okay, now we take this three part, reduce it as much as required, fit it. Okay, here is two dummy boxes here. This is another. You uncheck it, uncheck it and select it and press by Ctrl T and fit it with the distort options. Right click, select the distort options and fit it here. Okay, perfect. Do one thing, you uncheck the reflection edge part, okay, and we will get the very sharp. Select the another part, select it, Ctrl T, select by Ctrl T, right click and select the distort options fit it. Good. The another part is select it, just uncheck it, check it, sorry, and fit it. The Control T, right click, select the distort options and make it like this. Perfect. And now you bring the reflection edge part, go to the top of this layer. Okay, nice. And you can just highlight it in this part, that because the for lighting part, you can do it like this, and also you can take it the another layer and you make it overlay or something like that. Similarly, you can take the top of the part, you can the Control M and you reverse it. Okay, it will make the dark. Good. This is the method for making the dummy boxes.